Hi there, students. Hallmark, a hallmark. This has all the hallmarks of his work. Okay, a hallmark is a characteristic that distinguishes something. So, hi there, students, is one of the hallmarks of my videos. So a hallmark is a distinguishing characteristic. A hallmark is something that shows something is made by someone. It's a mark indicating quality and or excellence. It's a clear feature, a clear characteristic of something. So, for example, clear expression is the hallmark of good writing. So, good writing, one of the defining features, the hallmarks, is clear expression. Simplicity is the hallmark of a good design. Attention to detail is the hallmark of a fine craftsman. If something is well made, then the maker has worked hard on the small details. Yeah, the devil is in the details. One hallmark of a good politician is his ability to influence people. This is a technique that is the hallmark of his films. So, a hallmark. Now, a hallmark literally is a mark in gold, in a piece of gold or a piece of silver or a piece of platinum that guarantees the purity and the standard of quality, and it also says that the tax has been paid. And a hallmark is a mark to guarantee the quality. Now, a trademark is slightly different, because a trademark is the mark of a manufacturer to say, I made this. But a hallmark is a guarantee of an independent body that the contents are as it says. Normally a hallmark says that a silver item is 92.5% silver. Whereas the mark of the maker would be a trademark. Although very often we use the two words in the same way. This is so let's see. Good adjectives and a good explanation are the trademarks of one of his essays. They're the hallmarks of one of his writings. Let's see. The number of stars a restaurant has is a hallmark of quality, whereas a restaurant could have a trademark dish, a dish that they always serve. The roast beef is one of the trademarks of Simpsons in the Strand, for example. So, a hallmark, an idea, a method, a quality that is typical of a particular personal thing, and this is the same as a trademark. The explosion had all the hallmarks of a gas explosion. So a hallmark, a distinguishing characteristic. But the hallmark, an official mark to guarantee the purity of something, the origin. Okay, and then a distinguishing character. The he used the adjective, all of these florid adjectives that were the hallmark of a defense lawyer. Okay, so hallmark. The hallmarks, I think, were first started in the 14th century in the UK. But now the meaning has certainly gone further. Tiny bubbles are the hallmark of a good champagne. So, hallmark, a typical characteristic. A typical feature made by someone. It has all the hallmarks of a successful film. This bears the hallmarks of of a great athlete. Okay, so hallmark. Let's see. The origin comes from hall, from the Goldsmiths' Hall in London, which is the place where hallmarks are made, where stamps of purity, stamps about the purity of gold and silver articles are given, are marked, and hallmark is a mark of of Goldsmiths' Hall in London. Hallmark, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. I think use anywhere. So, hallmark.